Hello, Mio. Today we are learning how to make bean stew. First, I sautéed the onion with oil in the pot until it turned golden. I added the spices and tomato paste, mixed them, then added the beans and potato to cook. 4 cups of water go in. We wait 2 hours for the beans and potatoes to cook well. When the potato softened, I removed it, mashed it, and returned it to the pot. Now we let it cook for half an hour, and then our delicious stew will be ready. Thank you for joining me and Mio. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.